Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. This dua is mustajab. If Allah answers dua, my dunya and my akhirah are set. And the two most or the fastest positions that we do so rapidly is when you get up from ruku, dive to sujood, and between the two sajdas, those are the two fastest positions. Most of us fall into the trap. So the dua is, what do we say between these two sajdas? Subhanallah, very beautiful, amazing dua taught to us by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Of course, there's the short one and there's the long one too. Which one should I do? Alternate one raka you do this one raka you do the another. So the short one is Rabbik Firli. Very simple. Ya Allah forgive me, Ya Allah forgive me. Today we are gonna to concentrate on the long one because not too many people know it so beautiful. If this dua is mustajab, if Allah answers this dua, my dunya and my akhirah are set. Rabbik Firli warhamni wahdini wajburni wa'afini warzuqni warfani. 7. Rabbi Firli, Ya Allah forgive me, warhamni, Ya Allah have mercy on me in this dunya and in the akhirah. I need your rahmah. Wahdini, Ya Allah guide me, Ya Allah guide me to anything that pleases you. Wajburni, Ya Allah fix me, Ya Allah fix all my affairs, Ya Allah fix my salat, Ya Allah fix my worries. Wa'afini, Ya Allah cure me, I am very sick, I am not feeling good. Warzuqni, Ya Allah bless me with rizq. And the last one, warfani, and Ya Allah elevate me. So look how beautiful this dua, but please say it like you mean it. Brothers and sisters, see the miracles happen, see the impossible is possible when you take the name of Allah. So let's connect to our deen and make a positive impact on our lives. With Islamic channel, we embark a transformation journey of knowledge, inspiration and spiritual growth towards Islam.